Peace and love, beautiful people. This is the Bryophyllum pinnatum, commonly known as leaf of life, also called the air plant, miracle leaf, and a part of the Kalanchoe pinnata family. It is native to Madagascar, but is very popular in Jamaica. In fact, we grew up on this plant. If you get burned, you would run to this plant. If you are bitten by a wasp, you rub the leaf of this plant and you crush it and use the juice to rub wherever the insect has bitten you. Well, further research is showing that we were not wrong. In fact, our grandparents were smart enough to use this plant in their tea. They used to make lovely tea of guava leaf and lemongrass with this plant, and I have proven it to help me to lose over 10 pounds in 1 month. Yes, this plant has properties which help you to lose weight. In fact, it is very good for diabetics because it helps to regulate your blood glucose levels. It is antiviral, and it has been known in the scientific community to help combat the herpes virus and also the human papilloma virus, the HPV virus, which is said to cause cervical cancer. It is very good for your skin. It is antioxidant. It is also antihistamine. So those with asthmatic problems, if you have bronchitis, shortness of breath, all these problems, pneumonia, all the respiratory problems, it is known to be very helpful in treating respiratory problems. It helps the kidney because it helps to prevent or to treat urinary tract infection. Even those with kidney stones can use this plant to help to get rid of kidney stones. Because of its antibacterial properties, it can inhibit the growth of the E. coli, which is known to cause food poisoning. So therefore, this is a wonder plant, a must-have in your garden. Easy to grow, and even one of the leaf, if you plant the leaf, it will grow. That's how easy it is to grow. And this plant is so easy to use. You can use it in your smoothies. You can blend it just like that, add a little ginger and have it. You can make it in a tea. Maybe, well, I have used 3 leaves of this leaf of life with 3 leaves of the guava plant, and maybe an ounce of what we call lemongrass or fever grass to make a cup of tea. You boil it for 10 minutes, let it steep for a while, and then you have your tea. I do not put sweeteners in my tea, but if you want to, molasses is one of the best sweeteners. Those who want to use honey, try to get the organic honey. But this is a wonder plant, a must-have plant, a miracle plant. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and live and let love.